how to get Binance Google Authenticator key. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get key of Binance Authenticator. Now open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, now go to your profile. After you come to your profile like this, now tap on this section. After you tap on this arrow, now go to security. After you come to security, from this section now tap on this Authenticator app. So from this section now tap on this enable Authenticator, enable. So now it will send you a code through your Gmail account that is linked to your Binance account. So now here is my code. I just received the code 850639. Here is the code 850639. So after you input the code, as you can see now, you just tap on this enable button. So from there, as you can see now here is my Binance key. As you can see, it says copy the 16-digit key. So now if I copy now this key, now I should go now and use the key on my Google Authenticator. That's it guys on how to get Binance Google Authenticator key. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.